Hi there, welcome to a walk around video of my RD250f. First registered in March of 1980. I bought this motorbike largely complete and in running order, and I bought it as a restoration project. It's had a full nut and bolt strip and rebuild, with the frame being powder coated. I've not restored it to a concourse condition. As you can see already, there is one or two aftermarket parts on it, as in the all speeds, but also as well I have replaced a lot of the nuts and bolts with stainless steel. Also as well, on the motorbike there is a number of aftermarket, or should I say remanufactured parts on the motorbike as well, so it is not actually in an original concourse condition. Also as well, on the motorbike we've had a number of the parts re-chromed, such as the kickstart, gear selector, headlight rim, side stand, chain guard on the motorbike, so they're looking absolutely fantastic, looking brand new there now. The engine on this motorbike has also been professionally restored and rebuilt as well, and it's been built to an as new condition and is running absolutely perfectly. As I said, it's not been restored to a concourse condition. I wanted to restore this to an as new condition bike, as we would have been riding them back in the early 1980s. I do intend to ride and enjoy this bike, as well as taking it to one or two of the local classic shows. Just going to strike it up for you. So there we are, my fully restored RD250f. Thank you for tuning in, people. Also on my channel you will also see a slideshow presentation of the restoration of this bike, so please look at my channel and you can watch through that video as well. Thank you very much for watching.